Dear friends, today I will discuss about Section 55 of the Indian Patent Act or the Patents Act 1970. The title is Terms of Patents of Edition. In Section 54, we have discussed about the patents of edition or POA, and in Section 55, we will discuss on the terms of patents of edition. Fine. So, I will explain the subsections of this particular section through my key points. Fine. Subsection 1. Term of a POA equal to term of the patent for the main invention. Okay. Also, term of a POA is not in force if the parent patent ceases to exist or expires. We can say lifespan of a POA is totally dependent on the term of the patent for the main invention. Fine. So, this is the simple thing. No need to explain more. Okay, next point of the same subsection. If the patent for the main invention is revoked, that means it is a condition. If the patent for the main invention is revoked and the patentee requests the court or the controller in the prescribed manner, that means court or controller, anyone, may order the conversion of the POA into an independent patent for the remainder term of the patent for the main invention to be in force. Fine. So, what I have said earlier in section 54, that the expiry date of the patent for the main invention and for the patent of edition both are same. But if the patent, that means the patent for the main invention, is revoked before the expiry date, then there is a provision that we can convert our POA into an independent patent. Fine. For the remainder term of the patent for the main invention to be in force, so that it can function up to the expiry date of the patent for the main invention. Fine. Okay. Next. Subsection 2 says no renewal fees shall be payable in respect of a POA. That means for patent of edition, we don't need any renewal fees Fine. So, this is a benefit. Fine. For the conversion of a POA, look at it carefully, that for the conversion of a POA into an independent patent, as in section 55 subsection 1, the same fee will be payable upon the same dates as if the patent had been granted originally as an independent patent. Okay. We know that renewal fees are not payable in respect of a patent of edition or POA, but when it is converted into an independent patent, then all the behaviors will be same as for the, that means all the payments will be same as we do for an independent patent. The same thing is written here, that the same fee will be payable upon the same dates as if the patent had been granted originally as an independent patent. Fine. So, this way subsection 1 and 2 both are of section 55 both are completed. And wait, I have two questions for you for this lecture. Question number 1 is, find out the relation between section 54 subsection 2 and section 55 subsection 1. And question number 2 is, if DOF, that is date of filing of main invention is 1st January 2006 and date of filing of patent of edition is 1st July 2006, what will be the expired date of the POA? Please find out, okay, and answer me. So, please go through the video and simultaneously go through the Bare Act, as I always say. Please complement